The government says no stone will be left unturned as it intensifies its probe into the school bus fire on Wednesday. Transport Minister Daryl Vaz said there has already been one incident of sabotage involving the rural school bus, and the latest fire is being treated seriously. He said the technology on the existing buses in the fleet will be used to assist with the investigation.
You will recall that there is a pending investigation which includes a reward by JUTC for information leading to the arrest of the perpetrator of the fire on the JUTC bus recently, which the cameras on the bus caught. So in relation to this latest incident, we are leaving no stone unturned and we are not ruling out anything. And I can say that we are going to do a forensic investigation based on the fact that we have already had one incident of sabotage and we are not ruling out anything in this particular case.
In the meantime, the Transport Minister said the government's phase 2 of the school bus program is already being finalized.
We are far advanced in negotiations with the Minister of Finance to be able to get the allocation to order those vehicles to arrive here for next year. That would be 100 school buses is what we're asking for, and depending on the allocation that we get based on the fiscal constraints as a result of Melissa, the final number will be determined. But the goal is to get 100 in the second phase.